What is up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? I got a little breakdown of the trade that I took today, Wednesday, the 14th of January. As you can see here, we have CPI candle, which was Tuesday, taking the high of Monday, which is the current week's high, right? And then we also see Tuesday closing bearish back inside the range. So when that happens, we reject the high and close back bearish. We want the next candle, which is Wednesday, to continue lower, right? If it gives us the right framework. As you can see here, we did get the right framework and we traded it down because that's what we do. As you can see, small wick respecting the midpoint from the close to the high. Big range. That's what we like to see. Obviously, I did not take the whole range, but I took my piece and then I went to the gym. That's how you do it. And then we want to go down to the middle time frame, which for me is the 4-hour. As you can see here, we have a narrative. We just took the high. We closed below the candle that took the high, creating a change instead of delivery. When we open here, 18 candle. We trade lower. This candle specifically creating a SMT with YM, right? Trading below this low and closing strong, as you can see, closing very deep away from it. When we have the 6 a.m. candle opening up, still have open objective on the bottom, a lot of them, as you can see, all these. We want to see the 6 a.m. candle open high, then low close. So when it's creating the high, you want to look for a reversal, right? And this is how I look for my reversal, which is a candle 2. I specifically enter on candle 2. Why? Because candle 1 closed very well. It closed at the top of the candle, and candle 2 gave the small wick and came back into the range, and it immediately created the SMT on the lower time frame, basically confirming or giving me more confidence that this might be the high of the 6 a.m. candle, right? So as you can see, we have a little range. This range just got manipulated. Now you want to see price trade lower. When we go into my execution time frame, you have here, this is the close of the candle prior to the candle 1, basically. This is candle 1 closure, and candle 2 has a driver, which is 8:30, which was news, right? And driver gave me direction, a close below the series of up close candles, which creates a SMT. That's when I enter. That was my trigger, my confirmation to enter for short. I enter here. My initial target is always 2R, so that's what I took. I took 2R, and then I went break even, and then I got stopped out a break even. But that's basically all I do. I don't even know what else to explain to you other than what I just said, because I don't look for anything else. the daily closed back in the range, so that gives me an indication to look for more bearish price action or structure. And then the 4 hour open and start trading lower, basically confirming the framework in the daily time frame. So when we are here super close to Monday's low and closing through this relevant low, the only thing I can do is to trade lower. So that's what I did when the news came out, and this is the candle that we got from the news. And I just enter stop loss at the open of the candle and went for 2 hour break even. Wanted to see everything be taken, but it didn't happen. At least for me, it didn't happen. That's basically it. I hope you have a good night or good morning or good afternoon.